Notion versus Obsidian versus Capacities. Which note-taking app is winning? Looking for the best note-taking app in 2025? Let's quickly break down Notion, Obsidian, and Capacities. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's perfect if you want note-taking, task management, and databases combined. It's cloud-based, super collaborative, but can feel slow with large pages. Obsidian is made for those who value local storage and privacy. It treats your notes like a second brain with powerful linking between notes and full offline access. It's ideal if you love Markdown and deep customization. Capacities brings a fresh, structured approach. It organizes notes visually into objects like pages, people, and ideas. So if you're creative and want an intuitive interface that blends notes with knowledge management, Capacities is a strong choice. If you need teamwork and templates, go for Notion. If you want total control and privacy, choose Obsidian. And if you want a visual, modern experience, Capacities might be your winner. Thanks for watching.